Stop persisting. Who is the one persisting? And for what? Who are you being when you are constantly persisting? Tell me, who are you being when you're constantly persisting and affirming 24/7? And being tired and constantly affirming, looping, and then looking out there, looking, is it there? Is it already there? Who are you being? And who are you trying to convince? The subconscious mind? Reality? Ask yourself. You don't need to force. You don't need to impress. You don't need to wait for permission from reality, from you, from coaches, from the outside. The answer is to live your life. To live your life as if it's already given. As if it's already done.